Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel RAFTHELSA Vlogs. Here is my new DIY table centerpiece. This is a recycled candle. This one is my old candle. I just make over it. I added a crystal. I just fixed some crystal on the top, and I fixed here a flower, and I cut out leaves. This leaves is from the cardboard. Look at this, and I fix it with pink crystal in order to add beauty to the candle. And now this is already the transformation. And look at this, this is my holder, this is the base, this is a serving plate, and I just put this beaded wire like a crown in order to add beauty to my candle holder. And this is my candle transformation or refashion. So now this is the new look of my old candle. So this is how to refashion or make over your old or used candle. And now this is ready to be displayed on the center table. So all you have to do, just check out your old candles and you can make over it. You can decorate it with flowers. You can put some crystals or anything in order to make this candle beautiful again. And you can use any holder, any serving plate or a small tray that you can use to put your candle on the top. So this crystal is, it's ready to fix. There is a crystal that you can buy anywhere and you can fix it, because at the back of the crystal there is like a glue. Just fix it direct to this candle. And this flower, this is artificial flower. I just fix it with the glue, and the flower I cut out from the cardboard. And look at this, it adds beauty to my new candle design. So this is best out from waste, an instant DIY candle holder that we can display in our table centerpiece, and we can display this one for the Christmas or for all the season. So I hope guys you have an idea, you get an idea on how to refashion your old candle, and you could have an instant candle that you can use as a home decoration or a table centerpiece. So please give a thumbs up, leave a comment in order to improve my project, share this video, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that you will be updated with all my new videos. So to all my viewers and subscribers, thank you so much for watching and supporting to my channel RAFTHELSA Vlogs. Stay healthy and keep safe always. Wear your mask, wear your gloves wherever you go, and pray to God that everything will gonna be alright. And I hope that this pandemic will have an end very soon. So stay healthy and be happy. Daghang salamat, maraming salamat, pares to puli, बहुत shukriya, shukran, grazie, gracias, merci beaucoup, and feeling thank to everyone. So this is it. This is RAFTHELSA Vlogs. So don't forget also to watch my other videos and my live tutorials so that you can see me how I created all my projects.